it. Hard to love again and I get it. Time and time she tried to deal with it. But fuck boys, fuck it up for real niggas. I've been in my bag for a minute. I got time today, I might spend it. I'm just trying to say I might kill it. But fuck boys, fuck it up for real niggas. Yeah.
Running up the back end. I know you be thinking I be capping, but sometimes you be too much of distraction. No matter how I got it, if the back's spinning, baby. Running up the back end. I know you be thinking I be capping, but sometimes.
So, as you guys can tell, we're camping. It feels so weird to vlog again. We haven't done it in a while, as you guys can tell. We've been just taking some time off. We said in our last video, just to spend some time with some family, and it's also Kaylee's summer vacation. So the summer festivities have been in full swing. This is our first camping trip of the summer, but we went to Hawaii. Took a trip down to SoCal. You know, we've just been doing family things, just to catch you guys up on what we've been doing. But not too much car stuff, to be honest. I mean, we've been working here and there on little things, but nothing really like full swing like it used to be, at least ending of last year. And we just kind of took a step back, as you guys notice. I know some of you guys have sent us DMs, and we truly appreciate. I mean, it's super awesome to have a support system from you guys like that. As you guys, so if you don't know, it takes a lot of effort to do the YouTube and, you know, consistently get videos out like that. So I'm gonna be honest, like, it was a lot longer break than we anticipated, but it was well needed. We'll be back in full swing sooner than later, but we're also enjoying our time, you know, just spending some time with the family, and even just working on the cars without filming, like, you kind of lose the passion because it ends up feeling like a job. Yeah guys, I mean, figured we'd bring you guys along with our camping trip and see what we've been up to. And you know, I know a lot of you guys actually enjoy these types of videos that we put out, so this one's for you guys. All right, anyway, Christine's whipping up some sandwiches right now. I'm gonna give you guys a view of our spot. It's actually a pretty dope spot. We actually have a stand-up paddleboard that I think we're gonna blow up and hopefully head out on the water in a little bit after we have some lunch. But yeah, it feels good to talk to you guys. It's been a minute since we've made a video or even vlog. Like I said, it feels a little bit unfamiliar, but familiar at the same time. So
College girls give a nigga head in my raps. Rockstar life, so much money, I'll make you laugh. Hey, the bitches they hate, and you can't miss what you never had. Hey,
come on, let's go check out this water. Yeah, it's actually not cold. It's nice.
No, it's cold.
Not like super bad though. The water is actually really good. It's not cold. Not as cold as Tahoe. Here we go, paddleboard time. Okay, I don't know who you want to put the leash on, but one of you guys need to have the leash on. Bon voyage. Gee. Dang, now I wish I would have bought me one too. How is it? The bug will be over maximum capacity. I think me and you can go in there, yeah. Should we go? Gooses or geeses? Okay, you guys can see, took a little stop at the Safeway because we don't have anything to eat for dinner. Hopefully they got something for us. I'm sure they can find something to eat in there. Anyway, I'll be right back. I don't really want to be filming in the store.
I really don't know which one I want,
Bruh, she got one little boo-boo at that gas station, bruh.
I can't look at the card because that's the one.
What you got? What you got? Whoa. Baby blue, bruh.
Does it look funny? Yeah.
Let me see. That's a La Furus, La Durus, bruh. Show. This is the spread. We got some fried chicken, deviled potato salad, and coleslaw. So we're gonna eat.
A little bit.
We're gonna eat sandwiches and fried chicken.
She wanna come next to me. They talk about this, they talk about that. She speaking so sexually. We caught in the mix, something on her lips. This thing's my specialty. Up and down until she can't breathe it all. Come here, sweetie. Take you places that you never been before.
We did it. We got the fire going, guys. It's kind of hard to fail when you have a freaking propane torch. Yeah. I think the best part of camping is literally the campfire. I almost forgot this is what it's all about. Look at this. Family. Spend time with your family, bro. Especially if you get kids, bro. It's so cliche though, yeah, because that's what they always say. Like, oh, your kid's gonna grow up in the blink of an eye. And you're just like, yeah, until you have your own kids. And it's just like, dang, yeah, I don't know. Everybody who is OGs, I guess, from the beginning of the channel knows, like Killy, when she was really, really small. Now look at her, she's big as heck. She's about to go to middle school. What the heck? Makes me feel old, bro. Anyway, guys, we about to make up some s'mores.
So we got our ingredients.
Ingredients.
We got some honey made graham crackers.
Okay.
We got Hershey's.
Oh, yup. If you guys don't know,
Cookies and cream.
swap out your regular Hershey's for cookies and cream. It's gonna change your life.
And then
Gotta have the marshmallows.
s'mores.
Wow, who made this campfire?
Me.
Christine doesn't eat chocolate with her s'mores, guys. Marshmallow Pool. Guys, this is our backdrop. Bro, I keep dropping my marshmallows on the ground. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, look, there's one and then there's two combined right there. But I got one mean s'mores in my hand right now and I'm about to pound. Oh, what kind of marshmallow is that? That's crazy, bro. Bro, I think you win. Look at that. Cuss. Okay, guys, I think it's that time. We are literally cleaning up. Good morning. Good morning. It is the next morning and I slept pretty good. I slept almost the whole night, to be honest. We're only here for a night, so today is our pack-up day, but I kind of want to go for a cold plunge first thing in the morning. So let's do it. Look who decided to join. Go, baby, go.
Like, do I have to put my head in the water?
You don't have to. You could if you want to, because it's our last day. Ready? 3, 2, 1, do it.
Oh my gosh, that's so, okay, it's cold, but it got good.
Yeah, it's cold, but it's okay.
Good, but it got cold.
Yeah, I told you. Look how beautiful this place is, bro. Got this little island over here. There's like multiple little islands. But our camp spot has one right off the beach. Yeah, man, this is mean. And the water is it's pretty clear. Like it's not Lake Tahoe clear, but it's clear. Look who else is here to show up and show out. Okay guys, so we had our little morning dip. Like I said, we're just gonna have a little breakfast and then pack up and then head on out because we weren't here for one night. I wish we could have stayed more, but we actually got pretty blessed to be able to get this spot because everything's booked out till September. Just this one spot opened up for one night, so. Pretty much all packed up, ready to go. Last few things right here. Okay guys. Okay guys, that's gonna be it for this video. Thanks for hanging out with us. I know we haven't been on the content lately, but like I said, we're just enjoying family, so. Catch you guys when we catch you guys, alright? Peace out and stay good.
Let me show you what I had to do.